Huh? What? Bruh. I'll make Keegan pick that up. Don't worry, I'm not leaving it on the floor. I just don't want to pick it up right now. So this is the first dishwashing video on the LaRom Rose, so I'm technically the coolest. Just wanted to let everybody know. Yeah. And they picked me because I'm the best dishwasher. Just had to let you guys know. I'm not trying very hard. Super slow. I can go faster, trust. Made it that time. Try that off real quick. Alright, get the rest, bucko. I was helping you out.
Okay.
Making you look good on LaRom Rose. Or whatever. Huh? No. I really don't want to do these. I have to. And as you can see, I am the best dishwasher. This guy was slacking, taking a poop.
You do that at least 4 times.
No, I don't. Don't listen to him. Don't worry, YouTube. I'm the best. What? Yeah, I was debating on whether or not to throw it. I didn't do anything. Well, see, this guy, he sucks. He just threw away a clean dish. His name's Schmig with the 30. This water is so gross. I don't know what's in here. It's like reaching into a black hole. You never know what you're gonna pull out. That's what she said. You gotta let them soak, let the rice come off. Huh? No. I'm like vlogging. I'm letting them know how we do everything. Yeah. Letting them know you gotta soak these, let the rice come off, so you can scrub it easier. And scrub that. Normally when I scrub these, I think of all my past aggressions and my childhood trauma. Get me all angry so I can scrub all of it off. Doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me. It's just like this, angry scrubs. That's what I call them. Is there nothing in the bus tub? Bruh. See what I mean? This guy sucks.
Are we live?
No. We're shooting it for the YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel here now. Huh? No. This sink sucks. This thing gets clogged like 14 times a day. Cool, that's hot. What? Huh? What? You know, I'm not too sure. See, look at this. Schmig with the 30, he's already trying to take a break. Huh? Look at this guy. He's not caught up. He has a whole thing of silverware. Look at this gross silverware. He even has a bucket on. Look at his station. Nasty. And there's me. My water is pretty brown, but it's okay. Working hard or hardly working? Hell yeah. Yeah, this bowl weighs weighs about the same amount as this guy. The bull's taller than him. You guys, so you probably can't tell, but this guy is actually 4'7", but it's on my chest, so it looks like it's eye level to him. Yo, get this bull out of here.
My bad.
You can't be mean to me now. I got video evidence. I'll report you.
Still on your max time.
No, it's still gonna hear you. What? What'd you say? Yeah, but it's gonna hear you. Huh? This thing has 1080p.
What is that?
Huh? I'm not sure. But Caleb told me that it has 1080p. See, look, this guy's so slow. You're supposed to put the silver in the silver bucket, but the waiters don't. I was gonna say something else, but I stopped myself. See, look, this guy Schmig sucks. I'm not sure if this is mashed potatoes or ice cream. I'm not sure. You can never be too sure here. I just landed a bottle flip on camera.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I might hit another one. Oh. Whatever, dude. We better close soon. Finally. I don't know, actually. I don't know what time it is. Talking about it. I crashed my car into a bridge. We let it burn. Into a bag and put it down the stairs. I crashed my car into a bridge. I don't care about it. Sauce bottles suck. I hate cleaning them. They just get everywhere. Shake that up. Shake it up, shake it up. Turn it off. Actually, I shouldn't have turned it off. I got another one, but it's okay. Do the same thing again. Dump it out. Fill it up. Shake it. Turn it off. Forgot to take the tape off. Sherry. I crashed my car into the bridge. I think the sink is clogged. almost out of hot water. Almost. Cutting board over here. Rinse it off. Put it in. That's the dishwasher. Like that. Boom. Forgot to clean these lids. Okay. On to the metal thing. See, she can never text the bus tub. I'm always doing it by myself. Hey, dude. Put it on your own rack.
That's gonna help them not fly around.
Hey, dude. Calm down. That's the place. I'm trying to vlog here. Keegan is so disrespectful. Max made me a coffee steak earlier. It was so good. I want another one. I really do. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna get a big old burrito from Mucho after work. Carne asada burrito with like 7 sides of rice. I'm excited. Smells like garlic butt right here.
Almost like I sprayed out the garden.
Yo, do we got any pans? Any pans? I don't know what he said. No, I don't really care. I'm just kidding. He's my friend. He's the reason I have this job. He got me this job. So I'm still better than him at it. That I will not. That I'll admit. I'm better than him at his own job that he got me. And just had longer. Now I'm 20 years. That's why they picked me for this, because I'm funnier and I'm cooler. I don't know. I don't want to wash in silence. I'm just chatting. Something I do know though. I drove a Stan Stout Integra, the DA9. That thing's pretty cool. Got a hood exit, stanced out, shoots flames. I'm gonna get a 2-step tune on it soon. I just gotta convert from OBD0 to OBD1. Yeah. Once I convert from OBD0 to OBD1, I can get tuned. Unless I find somebody that has the tune in OBD0.
What are you talking about?
What?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I just explained it to you. He doesn't know what I'm talking about. He's mad. I don't know why he's so mad. He just... He's always like the OBD2 scanner can scan into it and plug in. It's for OBD2 or OBD1. My car is OBD0, so I don't have a plug-in for that. So like,
Too old for one.
yeah, I don't have. I'm OBD0, so it's like the wiring harness, but cause like most tuners have to plug into that OBD scanner or OBD port to like flash a tune on, and then since I don't have that, most people don't know how to tune OBD0, so I have to convert from OBD0 to OBD1. It's gonna cost like $500. Correct me if I'm wrong. I was just reading on Reddit today, so I don't know. I think I'm right. I should be, but correct me if I'm wrong. I need tips. I have a 1990 Acura Integra, and I'm trying to get tuned, but I don't know. I don't know. I need help. I can't find anybody that'll do it. I texted a dude, T-Rev, and he hasn't answered me for like 6 months. So I don't know if he just hates me, or if he just hasn't saw it. I'm starting to lean on the thing where he hates me, but I hope not. Because he's like the only tuner in Oregon that I know of. Can't find any. Well, they call me Pookie. Kissing my phone. Hey, Pookie. I just got a puppy. His name is Winston. He's 9 weeks old, or technically like I think 10 now. And he's a German Shepherd. 85% German Shepherd, 15% Husky. It's pretty cute. I'll show a picture. In a little bit. I don't know if people catch me. I don't know, I just work here. Nothing. Nothing. Spend some time away. Is there pans? Oh crap. Hey, I said pans, not pots. This guy doesn't know how to listen. Where did you get those from? Oh. Back to business. After I'm done with these, I'll show you the picture of Winston and my car. My car is pretty cool. I like to think. Bought it off a dude, $1,200. Manual 5-speed. 5-speed manual. Stage 2 clutch. Max speeding rod coilovers. Megan Racing camber arms. I'm naming off all the car parts that my car has. Yeah. His is just a cut-off muffler with a Grand Marquis. But it's okay. Because it's rear-wheel drive. And we're trying to slide it. And it's a V8 too. But everybody knows 4 cylinders are better than V8s. I said everybody knows that 4 cylinders are better than V8s. Yeah, my 4-cylinder gap is V8. Long story short, my 4-cylinder adapter V8. But it's okay. He's just saying that to make himself feel better. show the audience my car. Huh? No, I was gonna show them a picture. Look at this guy. He's always standing around. Get him gone, Kathy. Huh? I said, get him gone, Kathy. Huh? You have what? Seniority? What is that? Oh, yeah, I know. I told them that. I told them that you trained me, but I'm better than you. When the student becomes the teacher. Pretty much like when Master Shifu trained Kung Fu Panda, then Master Shifu lost to the, what was it, a wolf? I can't remember. The big guy. I don't know, but yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Well, I'm not sure. Alright guys, I can show you that picture now. Here's Winston. It's pretty cute. Here's my car. Pretty cute. Pretty cool. Nothing. Don't worry though, I put my hood back on. I just cut the hole for the hood exit yesterday. Or, yeah. I can't remember. Either yesterday or the day before. I think it was yesterday. I hate explaining these two. These things are normally annoying. You don't have to spray whatever it is. So deep. Oh, what else is in here? In this abyss. These get to soak overnight. With sugar. Like glass sugar, I don't know what it's called. In the meantime, just continue to do this. Do this every day. Same thing every day. Can't wait till I move up and be a cook. That is if they want me to be a cook. I'm hoping they do. Probably can't tell in the video. But I'm about 6'4", 6'5", one of the two. Don't know. But I have to lean over pretty far down for the sink. And oh my god, does it make my back hurt. It sucks. My back is killing me right now. up, dude.